going to show you some weird stuff that can happen with your TV. So if you press source, we are going to trigger this manually to 580. We are going to get to secret menu, and if you press this mode by mistake, you are going to end up with changing colors on your screen. And here it's pretty much you can't do anything from here, like holding this for 10 seconds won't do anything. This will change. As you see, let the color change once with by the way, this is a Diamond TV, Diamond. Let's change with the color on the screen. So you can try things like unplugging it. We even left this for 40 seconds and really nothing happened. So we plug in it. It will start by itself without pressing the remote. I think the menu now will start, but it's still the color screen. What first, your TV may look like this, so you don't see any buttons. This is not really a button here, so you have to search somewhere on the back to fix this problem. We are going to turn the TV a bit. Like, our button is very high down right here. This is a button here. So if we press it, we are going to activate the menu of the TV, the button menu. Let's try it once. So it has, let's try turn off. So turn off, hold it, turn on. Let's see if we fix the problem, because it's not that simple. And yes, this fixed the problem. So this is pretty much how you fix it very fast from the button of the TV. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe or just leave a like or a comment to our video. Thanks for watching.